Hi there, check out the 3-in-1 pet dog stroller designed for small to medium dogs and cats up to 50 pounds. This versatile stroller features a detachable carrycot that doubles as a car seat or temporary pet house for your convenience. It's easy to assemble in just 10 minutes and folds with one button, making storage and travel hassle-free. Built with a sturdy iron frame and 4 oversized EVA wheels, it handles various terrains smoothly, while the front wheel rotates 360 degrees for easy maneuvering. Multiple storage spaces include a cup holder, a large front bag for valuables, and a bottom basket for toys or supplies. The spacious interior has mesh windows for ventilation and 2 safety belts to keep your pet secure. Perfect for small breeds and elderly pets, this stroller offers comfort and peace of mind on every walk. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.